Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be undecorating some fall stuff and cleaning my outdoor space to prep for the winter. So let's clean with me and I'll show you how I keep my outdoor space and furniture in good condition for when springtime comes around. And per usual, there is no video that goes without Ray here. So she's always wanting to help. So you'll be seeing her here and there. If you guys are new here, welcome. Please subscribe and let's get to it. Alright, so this is a situation out here. Got a little bit of fall stuff I still need to put away. Took care of most of the fall decorations inside the home. Gotta do something about these dead flowers, you guys. They used to be bright yellow, but I'm a terrible plant mom, as you can see. Gonna clean up all this hay left over here. I threw out the hay stack already and I put away my faux pumpkins. So I'm just simply untying this ribbon that's hanging the wreath. In case you guys haven't seen this wreath hanging hack, be sure to check out my fall decoration video. I'll link that below for you guys. This plant, you guys, I'm so sad it looks like this, but I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to store it in the garage so that the soil won't freeze up, and try to remember to water it. Apparently it's a perennial plant, so I think that means it just goes dormant in the winter and perhaps it'll come back in the spring if I take care of it. So we'll see. So we actually winterized our sprinkler system a few days before this, and I wish I would have cleaned the front porch area before we winterized it, because I could have used the pressure washer to clean all the stuff out here. It would have made life so much easier, but instead I have to do it the old school way. So of course guys, in the middle of all this, Ray is now awake from her nap. So I gotta finish getting this soap and water, and then I'm gonna go upstairs and grab her. That was a good nap, huh? I can see those line marks on your face. Since I already got my soap and water and broom out, I'm gonna finish scrubbing outside. Okay, you can watch Mama do this and have some snacks. We are teething right now, so we are loving these teether snacks. Ray has 8 teeth coming in right now. Ridiculous. 8. Okay. Alright you guys, so back to cleaning. I don't know why I did not use this Asian broom earlier, because it just did the job so much better. I was able to get into all the corners and crevices to really get all the leaves and hay out of there. So I'm just using good old soap and water and scrubbing this stain out. The doormat left like an orangey stain here, and so did the haystack. I'm not too worried about getting it completely off, because I know I won't be able to. If I had the pressure washer, then yes, I would be able to, but since I don't have it, this is the best that I can do. Alright guys, so be honest, how often do you guys remember to Lysol down your door handles? These are the most common areas that people touch, so make sure you Lysol these door handles down, and also the doorbell. So this is the after, guys, for the front door area. This is all clean, or at least as best as I could get it clean, and now we have to take a break to get Ray some lunch before she gets hangry.
That is cute.
So now we are going to clean the back of the house, which is the deck area, and I'm just tidying up all of Ray's outdoor toys here in this basket, and taking in anything that's electronic to store away indoors so that the cold weather doesn't affect the electronics. So all of our outdoor furniture are pretty new. We got it within this year since we moved in, so they're actually in pretty good conditions. So I'm just going to vacuum this up from all the dust that's sitting out here. And of course, everything that I do, Ray has to copy. She also has this cute baby Dyson with the attachment just like this, and I thought it was so cute that she wanted to come out and do the same exact thing. So we actually had to stop here because it was getting pretty late, and you know, with a toddler, I had to take a lot of breaks in between to feed her, give her a snack, and then we had to start our bedtime routine soon. So here we are into the next morning. I am vacuuming this outdoor rug here, and of course Ray is also helping. Then I'm going to spot clean these furniture. There are some black spots on here from probably Ray's shoes, or she's just running around bare feet and her feet were dirty. So I use this Folex carpet cleaner, which also works on furniture, and it is like magic, you guys. We've spilled dark black tea on white carpet, and I've used Folex and it comes off completely. So definitely recommend this. I'll link it below for you guys if you're interested. It comes off so easily. Just spray it generously and then just use something to blotch it and it comes right off. So this deck is an enclosed deck. It has a roof on top. However, it's a screen-in deck, so the rain can still come in sometimes. So just to prevent the cushion from getting wet from the rain and to protect it from the dust, it's just best to cover it up with furniture covers. So it'll just keep these furniture looking brand new. So the cover for the sofa has perforated holes right here to let the cushion breathe over the season. However, for the egg chair cover, I didn't zip it because one, it doesn't fit with this type of egg chair. It's left it unzipped to let the egg chair breathe. So now I'm going to use soap and water to wipe down this dining table and also the bench below it. We got this table about a month or two ago, and we've only used it a small handful of times because the weather has been all over the place. So it's still in pretty good condition. So I'm just going to wipe this down and then put all the cushion away and just tuck it in the egg chair for now because I haven't gotten a cover for this dining set. Again, with the soap and water, I'm also wiping down this coffee table here, and then that's it for all the furniture. So moving on to this nasty sliding door with finger smudges and Ray's face and lip smudges all over. So I'm just going to Windex this down from the inside and the outside of this door, but it'll probably get dirty again by like the next day. And peep that Christmas tree, guys. It's up. We're ready. So stay tuned for a Christmas video coming up soon where we decorate the house. Oh, and just in case you guys are wondering what I'm wearing, this is just a t-shirt that I got when I went to Maroon 5's concert the other year. So yeah, that's what I rock when I'm cleaning, t-shirt and sweatpants. And then I'm also going to wipe down this door right here that leads to the backyard, and I'm only doing the inside, not the outside. And then I'm also using Lysol wipes to wipe down all the door handles and also this remote that controls the fan here. Okay, so moving on to the next and final day of cleaning outside. I am now wiping down this ledge. As you can see, it is so gross. My towel is pretty much black already. So even though it's an enclosed deck, the screen is open, so it's basically open out to nature. So dust and dirt and all that stuff still comes in here. So I do try to keep up with this by cleaning it thoroughly every season. So because Ray loves to hold on to these rods and rails and puts her feet all over here, so I make sure I really go in and deep clean this part. I wipe down all the rods and then I come in with a heavy duty scrubber to scrub and clean all of this dirt off of this. And because it's white, you can definitely see it, but look at the difference that it's already making right now. So then I took a little break to hang out with Ray here. She's just watching TV and dancing along. And then, you know, we had lunch and all that good stuff, and then back to cleaning. So we were all wearing hoodies this morning because it was so cold when we woke up, but then it got super warm. Here I am in the same t-shirt I wore yesterday, guys. Yep, no shame. This is my cleaning outfit, so I put this t-shirt back on to continue cleaning. And of course, Ray is keeping me company during this whole time. So after scrubbing all around the entire deck, I am now picking up Ray's toys that she left me while she was out here keeping me company. And then we are finally wrapping up. We're going to sweep up this floor with my good old Asian angled broom that will sweep up everything. And then after that, I'm just going in and spot cleaning some shoe marks that we bring in from outside when we're coming in and out of this doorway. So I'm using this hardwood cleaner just to spot clean some areas out here on the deck. We also use the same solution when we're cleaning the hardwood floor inside the home. And the reason why I like to clean the floors out here, even though it's outside, is because we like to be barefoot out here. So that's it, you guys. The entire deck is now clean. I had the fan running because I was sweating like crazy. So thank you so much for tuning in today and cleaning with me outside. Hope this gave you guys some cleaning motivation to tackle whatever you need to clean for the holidays. Happy cleaning, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.